Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Like a quick introduction. And that is all this one is going to be for right now, is a quick introduction. I did play with it a little bit the other day, but don't know anything about it yet. We'll wait and see. Get this camera moved over here. So Harbor Freight, a tool to evacuate fluid. Turn that air on. I'll get that air on it. Actually, it seemed to do pretty good. Comes with some attachments for Audi and Mercedes as well. Of course, you got your different hoses in here. Metal rod comes with it. I've got one of them. Bring you over here. I've got one of them right there that's hooked up. Let me get you a little bit better shot of that. I'm trying to lay my air hose down. We'll do this again. Actually, right here is the hose. I just inserted it through the dipstick, which goes all the way down into the engine, and then you got this hookup here. So we've got these hookups and then a plug, so it don't get dirty. So stick it in here. We'll throw some oil to it. I mean, some oil to it. Throw some air to it. And as you can see, that thing is actually really quiet. The Venturi system on this is not very loud at all. So there that goes. I don't know how good the camera is going to pick that up, but anyway, there that does go. Looking at the, let me flip that screen around so I can see. So we are pulling a really good vacuum on it, and like I said, guys, that system pretty quiet. I mean, it really is. I was pleasantly surprised how quiet it is. So anyway, back to this right here. Got a Honda Odyssey right there next to it. Coming up, we got a I think we got a burnt exhaust valve. I think that's what I seen on my camera the other day. So we'll have some valves to do, maybe even an engine replacement. Don't know yet. But anyway, that's in a nutshell. That's what I was trying to show you. You see, this is it's obviously pulling our oil out of there. When you feel the bottom of the pan, you stop. Obviously, shouldn't have to say that, but get you over here. I mean, I don't know. You know, I've got another system, of course. We've all seen that in previous videos that does the same thing, evacuates fluid. This one here is just a Venturi system. I don't have to roll the hose out, vacuum pump. Of course, downside is the compressor kicks on. I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, by the way, I will do a full-on review once I have been using it a little bit. Obviously, I can't do a review on something that's been used for the first time. I turned it on the other day just to see how loud it was, and obviously it isn't, since I was still able to talk to you about it. So anyway, thanks for watching. One real quick thing, when you're doing the suction method, make sure you check your oil. I mean, you should check your oil anyway, but I'm just saying, you know, go by the manufacturer specification on the oil level, and make sure that you get everything out of the system, which we have. This one is a little over 4 quarts on this 1.4 liter engine, so I just dumped the Mobile 1 in there, and it is a little over 4 quarts, and we're on the full mark. So just the add-on.